Yo, what's up, guys? This is Mr. Creatine Update. You get my point? So, guys, Capcut just told me that I'm now a pro member. Now, some people may not understand what it means to be a pro member. Now, if you are a pro member, you'll be able to use Capcut Pro features for free. Understand? You can use them without any problem. Like you'll be able to edit your video freely. Understand? You can use any of the effects you want to use. But one thing I want to let you understand is that I did not pay any money to join the Capcut Pro feature. I'm just seeing myself joining the Capcut Pro feature. I didn't even subscribe, even for one day, or for 1 week, or for 1 month, 1 year. I didn't do any subscription. But let me tell you, what the method I'm using right now is unlimited. Understand? So I can now use the features for free. Like, for example, if you update your Capcut now, you will see that some of the features are now in pro version. Something like let me just show you here. Something like this auto frame. See auto frame. Can you? I believe you can see very well. Auto frame is now in the pro version. Like this relight. You see relight is now in the pro version. I believe you can see very well. So if you should go to remove background, if you go to remove BG, understand, you will see that the auto removal is now in the pro version, which you need to subscribe, you need to pay before you are able to use it. Understand? Now, I made a video some time ago on how to use all these features for free, but it is very stressful to me because the method was that you have to edit your video. After editing your video, then you make a screen record. You make a screen record. Then after screen recording, you crop it. Then you still bring the video back to Capcut to make an adjustment, add the effects, add some certain things. But it's very still stressful to me. You get my point? So now, I would love to post a tutorial on this particular method I'm using. Understand? Right now, but due to YouTube strike, I will not do that. So it will not affect my channel. So what I will do for you guys is I'll drop my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. So you chat me on WhatsApp. I'm not going to charge you much. It's just something very little, a token. Understand? Because I want everybody to grow. I don't like stress. So I believe you don't like stress. So you come there. I'm going to show you all these effects, everything you see. In short, let me just show you. Let me show you my screen. Look at it now. All these features right here, you are seeing right here, they are free. You can see with me, they are free. Understand? So any of them you choose, you can download. Even background, everything is now free. Nothing. You are not paying anything. You are not subscribing to anything. And the good part of it is that it is unlimited. You get my point? So just chat me on WhatsApp. It's just a little token. You get my point? So let's go there.
Yeah, but before we go there, guys, I will have to download this particular one so that you will see that I can download them. But till then, let's just apply another effect. Look at reduce noise here. Let me apply reduce noise. So I'm gonna apply it right now. What I will do again is I will have to add another effect. I will just tap on OK. Now add another effect. Let me go and add let's just check on another effect, another pro effect. Understand? So here, isolate voice. Look at it here. Look at, as you can see, it's free. Keep voice. So I'll click on it. So this one will take a little time to load. If you have a good network, it will be very fast. But if your network is bad, I'm in Nigeria and we know how our network is. So I will play for you to hear when it is done.
What's up, guys? This is Mr. Creatine Update. You get my point?
So now let me play for you to hear the noise I had when I was recording the video. You get my point?
Guys, this is Mr. Creatine Update. You get my point?
So guys, I believe you can differentiate the two videos now. So what I'll do, let me just show you some stickers that are in pro version. Let me just click on sticker to show you that all of them are now free. Understand? So let it allow it to load. So look at it, everything, all the stickers, any of the sticker you want to use, they are now free. You get my point? So I'm not blabbing, I'm telling you what you will be having. Like, I'm telling you that you'll be using all these things for free. You get my point? So look at it now, look at it. I don't want the video to be very long, so I will have to go and I'll just download this video so that you will see that the relight effect I added, understand, and the other effect I added, the reduce noise, isolate voice, all those things. I'll be able to download them. I'll be able to export this video without telling me to pay money that I have used a pro version or a feature, understand. So that is just it, guys. And if at all it will give me an issue when exporting this video, you will see pro right here at the top of this video. Like, unlike the one you are using, if you click any pro feature, you will see it here. It will come up here at the top of your video, at the top of your screen. But this one is not showing, so it's just very free. So let me just download the video so you understand what I'm talking about. So chat me on WhatsApp if you're interested, if you need it.